cooking up at 6 a.m. Yeah. Yeah. I wish I had $1 million for all my baby mamas. I don't need the drama, need nothing honest, riding in a phantom. If I had $1 million, I had no problem, no problems. I wish I had $1 million for all my baby mamas. Stack it to the 10, cause her love turn to karma. Phones to ring and salads in the sun. If I had $1 million, I'd send it to baby mamas. Yeah. Studio lights, a pass, he calling. Gold on my wrist, oh shit. Time feel like it's borrowed. Whole lot of love, road, yeah. Start feeling hollow. I'm from the trap. Why gotta double my commas? All my baby mamas want millions, and all my kids, they deserve millions. And now I'm up in the hills chillin'. Text on the phone like, oh yeah, you miss your dollar. I need a couple of dollars. I need some money to ride us. I need some bitches that bad and wanna switch and call it a mile. I will be gone tomorrow. Baby, you know that I'm high. I got some get it again and get it out. Freestyling at 6 a.m. I'm making it my future. I got when they think I sound like Future. I got shit around I ain't use computers. Fuck that, man, no. Bad little bitch, I'm gone. Bad little bitch, don't know. She don't even go. Nigga, I'm go. Whoa, I be making it beat. I be making that hit. Baby, you know I'm elite. Baby, I know I like freeze. Up in the Jeep, I feel like R. Kelly. Deep in the valley. Nothing you tell me. I was on a Sally. Send me a record, I'm in a Mally. Nigga, I'm in a Halley. I'm doing in a Halley. Free all my niggas like YMLE. Whoa, swear. I'm no goat. I got money on the mouse. I've been running through the go. I've been ranching in the cows. Let me a nigga, let me go. Let my niggas know. Let my niggas know. Heard my little nephew. I mean, went to do. I mean, on the road. Everything is through the roof. Yeah. Wish I had $1 for all my baby mamas. I don't need the drama, I just need the numbers for the awesome. So something I would hand you in $100 billion. Wish I had $1 for all my baby mamas. Stack it to the ceiling, love turn to karma. Phone still ringing, shadows in the sun. If I had $1 million, I'd give it to baby mamas. Yeah. I know half of the internet's gonna love me for this, and the other half's gonna hate me, but I'm hype beast, who gives a fuck, nigga? Hey. 6 a.m. I'm cooking up. I got money, I ain't tripping, man. They ain't wanna fuck, they ain't wanna fuck, no, they ain't wanna fuck, whoa. Wanna fuck, what? They ain't wanna fuck, so no, I know. Alright, so yeah, this shit started with Cloud Supply. I believe, yeah, this is the first little thing I was working on, and then I went to like just playing some shit, you know. So I guess to a company. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just making shit, bruh. And then that fabric, that shit is not in there. I think this is just what's it called? Give you. So this is coming from the JV 1080. Yep. Drums, of course, you know. Kick. Hi-hat. This was from the JV 1080. I just recorded it to audio. So usually I record the whatever I cook on the 1080 to audio. JV 1080. Yeah. I wish I had $1 million for all my baby mama. Stack it up now. Hey, I'm just fucking around though. But hype beats, y'all. Hey, like, comment, subscribe. Daily cook-ups. Shout out to Linda's son, keeping the good vibes. Shout out to everybody who be supporting the kid. Yeah. It's that real independent shit. Real independent. Real. Yeah. Making beats in the dark type shit. Yeah. Hype beats.